Hello students, welcome to your first class on economic application. I am glad that many of you have opted for economic applications because economics is a very important subject. In fact, it is one of the most important branches of social science. It's a subject that follows you from your cradle to your grave. It means that when a baby is born in a family, the family has to manage its resources to fulfill the needs of the baby like food, health, education, etc. among others. Our entire lives are spent in trying to manage our income and our needs. Even when an individual leaves the world, the family has to manage their resources to organize the funeral of the person. Countries also does the same. They have to manage their limited resources in such a way that they are able to meet the needs of the people. In other words, it is a living subject which mainly deals with economic and non-economic activities which are concerned with the efficient use of scarce resources to satisfy human wants. The word economics has been derived from two Greek words, oikos and nomio. These words were used by the great philosopher Aristotle. He used them to mean management of homes or state. A country or a society has to manage its limited resources in such a way that they are able to provide the welfare of the people. So economics studies how people organize themselves to tackle the problems of scarcity of resources. When we study economics, we have to know the meaning of certain terms like economy, economic activities, non-economic activities, economic entities, etc. First, let us understand what is an economy. A very simple definition of economy has been given by Professor A.J. Brown. According to him, economy is a system by which people get a living. We have many institutions around us like industries, farms, schools, hospitals, offices, shops, etc. And they help the people in earning directly or indirectly their income or earnings or wealth by providing various goods and services. So we can say that economy is a combination of all these institutions or organizations satisfying the needs and wants of human beings. An economy is a system where all human activities are related with economic and non-economic activities. So we need to understand what are economic activities. Within an economy, every person has to perform several activities to earn money like farming, teaching, marketing, doing industrial works. All these activities are performed to earn money in order to satisfy one's need or lead a comfortable life. These activities where the exchange of money takes place are called economic activities. On the other hand, what are non-economic activities? Non-economic activities, in simple terms, do not involve exchange of money or They are not done to earn money. For example, you attend a birthday party or a political rally. You pray to God, or you play with your friends. You watch television. All these are activities. You do all these activities for fun and recreation. You do them because you feel good, but not for earning money. No exchange of money takes place. So these activities are classified under non-economic activities. Let me give you some examples by which you can have a better understanding of economic and non-economic activities. For instance, I'm teaching in a school, I get a salary at the end of the month. So what I do is a economic activity. When I teach at home, my own children, I do not get any money for doing that. So it's a non-economic activity. Your papa driving you to school is a non-economic activity. He's not charging any money from you. But when you hire a cab to take you to school, then you have to pay the person every month. Then that is a economic activity. Doctor treating patients in the hospital is a economic activity. Treating his own family members is a non-economic activity. Or even when you're playing with your friends, you're playing for recreation fun, then it is a non-economic activity. Suppose tomorrow you become very good and you play for your country, then you are going to earn money for it. Then it is a economic activity. So at the end of this module, I hope you have understood the meaning of economics. I would like to give you 2 or 3 questions as homework. Number 1, what are economic and non-economic activities? Number 2, what is an economy? How did Aristotle define economics? Thank you.